If you are looking for an exciting career in a fast-paced environment where you're going to be doing different things every day, this is a career and program for you.
You get that kind of experience too, how to run staff, how to deal with staff, management.
Once you graduate and you're working in the field as a nutrition manager, you are the leader of your team and the staff that are working under you. So leadership's really foundational in our program, and someone who has that desire to be a leader or that aspiration to be a leader manager is really the person who's a good fit for the program.
I had like 25 employees under me, so I had to deal with everyone daily. And in my placement, I got the opportunity to do the clinical side too with the registered dietitian.
We design menus for some different people who suffers from different nutritional needs or who suffers from different diseases.
This is an exciting field and it's a rewarding field, and it's one that graduates can feel really good about with what they are accomplishing in terms of supporting the nutrition care of a variety of different people.
There are so many different areas, practice environments, job titles, job roles that you can participate in. So as our students enter the program and they start to learn about all of these different aspects and areas, and they start to really find their passion.
I would love to treat the people who are suffering from nutritional needs or who are nutrition deficient. I love to do that.
I'm so happy. I'm actually doing my dream course. I always like to do the study with the nutrition, to deal with the patients, doing their counseling.
I want to serve the senior citizens and old care citizens, take care about their diet, like whether they are taking enough nutrition through their food. That's the main thing of a nutrition manager.
The thing that people talk about when they're discharged from the hospital is often the food they've been served. The highlight of people's day when they're in long-term care is often food.
They feel very excited, like what will we have today for our breakfast, for lunch.
That's what the residents look forward to, and that's the moment of the day that the nutrition manager gets to shape for people.
And you see a perfect smile on their face. It pays you off nothing in the dollars, but you feel from your soul that, oh, awesome, you did something good.
You see the beauty of all of the hard work that you've been doing, and you see the joy that people experience and the happiness that they get from having their favorite meal or having their favorite dessert or having a good cup of coffee.
Students who thrive in this program are also students who really do have an interest in food. So a number of our courses are related to such areas as, purchasing food. When we're looking at managing employees within a food service department, it's important to know, different cooking techniques, how to boost up the nutritional value of a menu, how to actually develop a menu that would cater to allergies or someone with diabetes or heart disease, for example.
My goal is to provide every education and all that knowledge to those people and guide them to fulfill their nutrition.
Today the people are very following the sedentary lifestyle. They are not following the food they wanted to eat. They are not focusing on themselves because they are busy in working.
Our program design is exciting in that learning doesn't just happen within the classroom here. We have an amazing food service lab that's built as an industrial kitchen. So our students are able to learn some of the theoretical concepts of food service, and that foundational knowledge, and then come into the kitchen and apply some of that knowledge there and get some hands-on experience.
The kitchen, it's, I would say state of the art, like something I've never seen something like in a program. So when we were going for the placement, we already know what to expect, how to deal with the equipments, how to deal with the stuff.
I would probably say the main highlight of the course is our labs. We get more opportunities in our lab to learn in person and get to see what are the equipments used in a kitchen facilities and how we have to deal with conflicts.
We have an opportunity through our Cross Center for Simulation Learning to have our students immersed in real life experiences.
That's a very great experience, like how we treat them, how we have to educate them regarding their problem.
We call those simulation activities. We actually have actors come in sometimes and play the role of your patient and have you interact with them to practice the skills that you'll use in the real world.
It's really exciting to have this as part of our program, and student feedback on those experiences is extremely positive.
I never had a confidence like for this interview too. Like if I would say 1 year ago you would be asking me, I would not even saying like, not at all, I'm coming to do it. But now like during the field placement, like during the courses, the way it's delivered, it has given me enough confidence to believe in myself that I can do it or I can say it.
As I go into the industry, I just have the knowledge of relating to different kind of personalities, different kind of people. So yeah, that's what I'm getting from this whole college experience.
Our faculty are amazing because they genuinely care about our students and their success. They care about the student experience. And I hear comments from our students as well as our faculty about how fun our program is.
I see something new almost every time I come here.
If you were to come and visit us in our food service lab, you would be able to see and hear the fun that happens because our faculty believe strongly that students will learn more if they're engaged, if they are able to apply the learning hands-on and have fun while they're doing it. They're going to remember that, and it's amazing to be part of a faculty team where students are really top of mind.
Whenever I have any queries, they will just, okay, within few hours, not even in a days. The faculties, they are my professors, I respect them, but they're more than friends. They are so supportive.
We work really hard to create a sense of community in our cohorts and in our students, between students and faculty, and we have a strong connection with one another, and we all work together to make each other better.
Currently I work in a food environment. Now currently like I can lead the whole team on my own.
I feel myself so lucky that I picked this program because like it have a lot of future opportunities.
We will get many jobs.
I am very happy that I am in this college and I pursue like very good course in this college.
I believe everyone will enjoy the course.
Overall, we have a great time and we learn some really cool, fun things, and we have great careers afterwards, and it's a field that not a lot of people know about. So learn about it, get to know about it, come to our program, because it's fun.